Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Optimum streaming app on your smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to access your cable content. Step 1. Navigate to your smart TV's app store or channel store depending on your TV brand. Step 2. Search for the Optimum app or Optimum Stream app and download it to your television. Step 3. Open the Optimum app after installation is complete. You will see a screen with an activation code displayed. Step 4. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and visit the Optimum activation website at optimum.com. Activate. Step 5. Sign in with your Optimum account credentials, including your username and password. Step 6. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the appropriate field on the website. Step 7. Click the Submit or Activate button to link your smart TV to your Optimum account. Step 8. Return to your TV and wait for the Optimum app to refresh automatically, granting you access to live TV channels, on-demand content, and DVR recordings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.